Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to actually change your name in Valorant. It is pretty simple guys. First of all, Valorant, you don't really have to pay anything in order to change your name, unlike League of Legends and other Riot games again. So for example, League of Legends, in order to change your name, you will have to buy a bundle using RP or the Blue Essence. But in Valorant, overall, all you need to do is just go ahead and close your game. And then, guys, go ahead and go to your Riot Games client. Click here and then settings, and you'll find that there is no option that allows you here to actually change the name. So you only need to go to account details. So let's go to account details. After that, all you'll need to do is connect your account. As you can see here, I'm connected to my account. And right after that, all you need to do is go to Riot ID, click on this, and basically here you just have to put your right ID, and basically this right ID will be the one that showed in the game. So for example, here the game will show TT. For example, in my game it's showing TT lowly, so something like that, and next to it it will be something like AOS in my case. Of course, you can change the tagline to whatever you want. You can make it whatever you'd like it to be, and you don't really have to pay for it to be changed. But make sure guys that you have the correct name and the tagline, because if you made any mistake and you clicked on save changes, you will not be able to make it back until 30 days passed from the day that you have changed and made these changes. So once again guys, in order for you to change your name, you just have to open your client, go to account details, and then this page shall open. Go to Right ID section, go to Right ID, change the name and the tagline, and save changes. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually change your name in Valorant. Thanks a lot for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial.